what a run here on the SPY, and a strong notification from our SPY bot there in the second half of the day, pulling up that bull indicator on multiple time frames, the 3-minute, the 5-minute, and even the 15-minute, holding strong since the pre-market. And we got that notification sent directly over to our Discord, as you see it popping up there on the chart, and it was sent out here at 2:15 p.m. and it still hasn't gotten canceled, and it broke out from 563 to the high so far of 570, and fighting here in the live action at 569. A full transition as well on 42 vision. Inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there, and call options went up over 300% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and maximize on opportunities with our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow and bots, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment to get connected and join the members using 42 vision. And it's a great way to start learning charts along the way with a whole new perspective, whether you're an experienced or learning trader. Check out the link once again down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to having you join us and getting you connected. So the SPY got that strength there, broke out through the resistance from yesterday. It kept slowing down near 565, and it went ahead and would pull back down, and it found support above at 562, which was the resistance we were watching here. If we can get back above it, and that was the resistance from yesterday. That's why it was crucial in that tight range, and it bounced off of it. You could see that there on the chart. And then our support to the downside, if it got broken through, was 560, and we would have to reassess lower levels. But here we are, breaking out to new highs, back up here above 568, 567, and above the 570 level at the highest levels here, and fighting in the live action to get back above it. It's at 569.67, and that's where things rejected here back on Monday. So we're at crucial levels here to not be ignored, and then we're going to break down the key levels we would watch here going into tomorrow. So the first thing is we need to keep in mind the supports, and we also have seen a full transition on 42 vision on the 30-minute. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP500 index, trying to go ahead and hold the support up here to stay above 569. It's going ahead and jumping around here in the live action, and we're going to break it down here. And if you see, we've done a full transition from bright green bars to the dip area, as we call it, avoid with red borders. We're back up to bright green bars on the 30-minute, on the 1 hour, and then on the 2 hour here, we just hit a bright green bar. And this bull indicator was justifying the move here from yesterday to today. This is where 42 vision gives us that edge to be able to see the trend and why things are happening in the charts, right? This got canceled quickly because support was found above 560. We didn't go down to where that bull indicator popped up at 557. We found support and started pulling away from it. These were our levels here in yesterday's video. And then here we are breaking out and continuing to the upside because no bear indicator popped up on this pullback. So this was not justified, and this move is justifiable so far until a bear indicator pops up. And then you zoom out to the 4 hour, and we also got a bull indicator further justifying this move. And then we have the 1 day still though with no bull indicator. So in the lower time frames, we have bull indicators in the volatility, but in the larger time frame, there's a bear indicator. And until this gets canceled, this will still dominate. And even though we go ahead and retest newer highs or resistance levels, the move back up is not justified, and it could quickly reject and retest supports or even go lower for as long as this bear indicator continues to hold that popped up here at 603. And for the first time, we got one on the 1 week here since way back on August, and from the 539 level where that bull indicator popped up. So that's another thing as well in the bigger picture to not ignore. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is going to be 565, guys. That is the first level I'll be watching here going into tomorrow and even into the after hours, as things are volatile now and pulling back pretty quickly. You could see the 3 minute here sharply dropping. You could also see it here on the 1 minute. A bear indicator has popped up. It hasn't confirmed into the 3 minute, but it is something to not ignore. And then also you have the 5 minute slowing down, right? So that's the first support I'll be watching, that 565 level. Now, if it breaks, the next support I'll be watching is down here near 562. And now to the upside, it's going to be crucial to break back above 570, guys. 570 is the most important resistance level, and if that gets broken through based off the history of the chart, then you have up here near the 575 level. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows are going to not be ignored here for me going into the after hours, going into tomorrow, based on the charts. Now, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to our indicators and joining the members using it. It's a great way to learn charts along the way, receive the edge and clarity within the volatility, and be able to see the charts more clearly on why things are justified to the upside and downside as supports and resistance levels are being tested. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.